Let's go. I'm with my little cousin, Alana. Say hi, Alana.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien.
¿Cómo fue la escuela?
Bien.
¿Sabes poquito inglés?
Sí.
¿Qué sabes?
¿Cómo decir cat y yes?
¿Gato?
Sí.
¿Cómo se dice gato en inglés?
Cat
Cat. ¿Y qué?
y yes.
Yes? ¿Qué es yes?
¿Cómo decir sí?
Sí. Muy bien. Very good.
Gracias.
De nada. Yeah, I got her a little anime, Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba. ¿Es chévere?
Sí.
Muy bien. Enjoy. I got cousins left and right over here. It's so dope. We're now in an Uber over to Boulevard Del Rio. Mira.
La iglesia es called La Ermita.
La Ermita.
La Ermita, sí.
And it's Gothic. It's a really old church. Bamboo trees. It's a pretty chill spot. Rio Cali is over here. I'm gonna take a little walk over there. Rio Cali. It divides the city, right? Or is it the Ponce that divides the city?
No, Rio del Cauca
The Cauca.
divides between Cali and the other town or province, I think.
Yeah.
This is Rio Cali. I don't know if what its role is.
Oh, it's beautiful. That's all I know. So we hanging out here. We're gonna meet up with a pal of mine I've known for a while now, many years on Instagram. Heather. She's got a Cali boyfriend. She's been here for about like 6 months, 7 months. Pretty sure she teaches English here.
Y viene con cargador de celular.
He's buying a vape.
De esta marca, ¿qué sabores hay?
De Beats, ya te enseño.
You're gonna have a million shots of me doing this in your fucking vlog.
Feel like you've been to Hawaii, bro. Also, subscribe to the channel because after Cali Colombia, I'm gonna double back and start sharing some of the old stuff from when I was in Hawaii. And go check out Jordan's channel too.
As YouTuber.
That's it.
Watermelon, sandía, luego esto. Y también una botella de agua.
Y uno para yo también, por favor.
Dos botellas.
Cool. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Las dos aguas 6.000.
¿6,000? ¿A los dos? Muy bien.
Estas dos valen 6 y este vale 40.
Ok. 6,000, ¿sí?
Gracias.
Gracias. ¿Cómo se llama este store?
¿Este estanco?
Sí.
Brisa del Boulevard.
Brisar de Boulevard. Boulevard Del Rio, ¿sí? ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo se llamas?
Yo, Mónica, me dicen peluche.
Mónica, mucho gusto. Se llama Jairo. Jordan. Yeah. All right. Ciao.
Dale a la orden.
Gracias. We just stumbled upon something really wild. I noticed this, and then I looked at this. This is literally the place where you can get like penis-shaped chocolates. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Qué tal, man? How you doing? Penélopes. Ay, caramba. 13,500 para a penis-shaped ice cream cone. Increíble. They don't have this back in the States. ¿Qué tal, amigos?
No, no estudio, no trabajo.
We're with Heather y Bryan
Ah, ok.
de Cali, Colombia. Check out this mural ahí. Qué bonita. Cali Colombia.
Up here. Estas son ruinas.
A la noche se cierran las calles, ¿sí?
A ver qué.
Cierran las calles aquí para caminar en la noche, ¿sí? No, gracias.
I know, that's another deal.
There's ruins there, girl.
Wow.
De la ciudad antigua o algo así.
This is a Gothic church. It's very old. This is one of the oldest towns in Cali.
Esta calle es un peatonal.
Sí, solo peatonal. Antes pasando. Este lo dejaron solo para la gente y las bicicletas.
So yeah, this is a peatonal. I don't know how we say that in English. A pedestrian zone. I
Yeah,
don't
they
fucking
close
know.
off cars. Mira, mira. Wow.
This is cool. La ermita. I don't know how to say this here, but
It's cool to hang out with people your age.
Posh people say
Mira, mira, mira. Woo! Tantísimo agua. Del Rio. This place is wild.
So you like advanced steps.
Oh yeah, we need básicamente,
How
basic.
did you do that?
Like what? Oh! Do it, oogie boogie, come on.
Yours, if they thought that
Ay. That's how we do it. ¿Y tuyo?
If they thought that was cool, do a real step.
I have to be drunk first.
We need pasos básicos, like the advanced. I don't know. We're gringos. Like we don't have the salsa in us. I mean, he has it half in him, I guess.
I got a half, medio, and
Only 1 foot.
Medio caleño.
1 foot. I'm about to get some cholado. It's necessary. What's up, guys? We're about to eat. Let's go. A little seat while you wait. Ah, it's nice.
Heard you gotta try the lulada here as well. It's like
Lulada?
very refreshing.
Muy cool.
Gracias.
Un cholado con fruta.
Oh, I think we're supposed to pay afterwards because when
They
we
got
went to get
something
food
else.
with his family
Raspado.
yesterday, it was like the whole day basically.
Provecho. Let me try this out.
There's a park.
It's very fruity. It's so good.
Very fruity. Sounds a little fruity.
It's got some lime too. Ooh. Muy rico. Provecho, amigos. Oh yeah.
It's like a radio.
7,000, amigo?
Sí.
Gracias. Fue muy rico. Muy rico, tantísimo.
I was a
7,000 pesos.
With all of that fruit. You believe
All of that fruit. I'm well filled. How was yours?
It's delicious.
How about yours? You guys got something else. Was it good? Ah,
Raspado.
it was good, man. And for the Lolo, can't beat that. Hallelujah.
Go into like more natural places.
puede decorar.
I think we're mostly gonna be in Cali because he wants to see, spend time with his family. What was it called? Santa Marta?
See,
It's like 2 hours north of here. Maybe I'm thinking of a different place that.
it was somewhere else.
Yeah, you're like his cousin. No, not.
They're dancing over there.
I don't know, man. This is very difficult.
Wait, my turn. Wait.
Dale. Oh. Él tiene el sazón.
And these horns with all the different songs in them spell out Niche.
It's the name of the band.
Grupo Niche.
Yeah, man. They're well known here. We'll play some later.
Like, can you see? But now it's like because of the paint.
Wow.
Like here, I don't know if you already went there. Like, can you see like in the middle?
Yeah.
I think was the most important statue in Cali.
Wow.
Sebastián de la Casa.
Sí.
But the history about like the Sebastián de la Casa,
Sí.
like the person there,
Yeah.
that was like he killed like a lot of like people, like the native people. Here.
Oh, wow.
So like the native people, they didn't like him.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
in the process, like,
Yeah.
they were like the town, like part of the town against the police, and for the protest they moved the statue.
Damn, that's pretty badass. That's cool.
They were like a lot.
Wow.
And there was international like people from worldwide, like
Yeah.
like asking for help.
Right.
Like the police were literally killing like the people. Like if you protest, we are going to kill you at night.
Dude, that's terrible. When did this happen?
That was in 2021.
Whoa.
That was like really big. Like if you protest at night, they like
They'll kill you.
yes, the government like
They'll beat you up. Wow.
And there were a lot of like what happened. We were protesting, and now what is this? Is that war?
Yeah.
There were like a lot of stories like
2 years ago.
yeah,
That's terrible.
that was like a truck
Yeah.
and like the guns here like.
Oh my God.
I know that in the United States might be like kinda common, like
Yeah, yeah.
people have like guns. But
Yeah,
here,
but like here.
like there are a lot of people that have guns,
Yeah.
but not common.
Yeah, no.
Those people are or super rich
Yeah.
or super ghetto.
Wow. That's crazy that this just happened 2 years ago. A giant war with the government and the people. Is there a strike ahora también?
And they wanted to do like a strike, but with this government, like the new president, like,
Yeah.
like, it has been like he is not bad as the old president.
Well, good. That's good to hear, right?
So like you know that Colombia we are really beautiful, but like there are a lot of like bad things. Like
Oh, sure,
it's
sure.
cheap for you because you earn in dollars, but here
Uh-huh.
in peso, like the
Es
food
muy diferente.
is getting like more expensive and everything.
Right.
So like there we have like some towns that they don't have like food. They are like literally in the how to say pobreza? Poverty. ¿Cómo? Poverty. Pobreza. Yeah, poverty.
Poverty.
And then like that is in La Guajira. Like,
Sí.
there are towns that they cannot give food.
Wow.
And then the president say like, okay, we need more money. We are going to put like more taxes to the food. And then of course like the town, like
Yeah.
like Colombian people didn't like that. But like if you want to have more money, like put more taxes to the rich people.
Of course.
You are going to put more taxes for the people that
Don't have money, then they're gonna strike. They're gonna fight back.
And that was like the strike, and in one moment,
Yeah.
that was like government against the town, against the Colombian people.
Wow. Man, the historia aquí.
Oh, I expected that because he told me earlier he wants to film or something. Get the pants.
Los pantalones. My pants. I dropped my pants. Oh, what am I gonna do now?
He was there last night.
Que lástima.
Sorry, I was too drunk. The party was so good. I left there.
My pants. It's so fresh. Oh my God, man. Let's go. Caminando en la calle right here. A little risky, a little sus. We good though. Estamos bien. Vamos.
Increase vibes, kick this shit into overdrive. Don't give a damn, you think I'm right. Going for more than a 9 to 5. Hey,